na-ebudukwa mmadụ n'ọbụnụma onye mee nke ọma ebulie ya elu tie jide ka o ji na-aga n'iru biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee fere eze eze adịghị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu nwoke ọma na oraifite ị ga-adị ọdịnala bụ eziokwu ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye magije mmadụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye magije mmadụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ga-adị Ugochi tubelu ga-adị Ugochi tubelu tempụl ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị ụka erighị anyị fọnta mba gị ndị oche eri anyị fọnta mba gị fọdụ esikala aka
ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo anyị abịakwanụ n'oge awa nke eziokwu oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba nke ọ bụ mụnwa bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya n'ụbọchị taa maka ndị ọ bụ taa bụ izizi ha na-afụ m n'eziokwu TV ma ọ bụ na soshal midia handles anyị abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration prayer ministry bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me an ordinary evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị bụ what you should know about Agwu. Yes. Agwu is spirit behind every man's talent. Yes. Or every man's gift. That's spiritual force. Yes. That is Agwu. Mana bifo anyị gaba n'iru ọkwa dị mkpa echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Ọgọst ka na-aga n'iru ndị na-esonye bụ na aja amarigo ka esi eme mana maka gị bụ onye ọfụ aja bụ aja anyị na-achụ n'igwe aja mbunye elu aja epụta ihe aja esigoro na ya bunye ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ elu yes mana anyị anaghị esho testimony na social media maka na ọ dịrọ necessary. Yes. Nke bụ eziokwu na ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ isonye na aja ihe ị ga-eme wee forward ya 3 prayer request. You make donation token to the account number. I place your prayer request in the temple. Na-achụzi aja na-aga ọfọ na-ekwubi okwu n'isi gị throughout ọnwa Ọgọst. Ụbọchị anyị ga-emechi ụbọchị Ọgọst ga-agwụsị ka anyị ga-achụ aja dị iche iche chụọ aja ihe mmee dị iche iche chụkwazi aja ebulu n'isi mmadụ niile sonye na aja ọ nọ n'ụlọ na ọ nọ n'ezi achụcha aja eme saraka. I can tell you it works like magic maka na ike dị na aja a na-achụ n'igwe ka nke mbụ. Nke ọzọzi ihe ama bụ ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ iso na ya bụ aja nke ọnwa Septemba ndị mmadụ ebukube gị. In fact, o nwere ndị na-esonye bụ anyị na-esonye na anyị na aja almost 2 years now. O nwere ndị kwụgoro ụgwọ tụrụ adịghị So ọ bụrụ chọrọ ibuku nke Septemba, ihe ị ga-emewu ịfọwọdụ ọrụ m ya 3 prayer request, ime donation token to the account number ka enwee ike buku oge n'oge, maka na eme ngwa ngwa emeghara ọdachi. Yes. Nke ọzọ si bụ ọ bụrụ na ị laikiri olu m na ị na-anụ olu m site n'Eziokwu TV, mana ị chọrọ ige nkụzi ya ọzọ, ma ọ bụ na ị chọrọ ishare ya mmadụ, were ọsọ were ije wee jee na YouTube channel anyị Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu oraifite, onye nwa ma YouTube name. Iru ebe ahụ subscribe. Yes. Then ị chọọ vidio ọbụla ị chọrọ. Anyị nwere over 1000 lectures, meaning nkụzi anyị na-akụzi kwa ụbọchị. Anyị emetụgo aka na so many things gbasara ọdịnala over the years. So you can go there and gbara anya Christmas. Yes. Then ọ bụrụ na ị na-watch n'Eziokwu TV as well, and you like any of our Nollywood movies, and you want to rewatch that particular movie, I have 3 channels. Yes. Nke mbụ, ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ watch English film, jee na Ugochi tubelu movie production. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ watch Igbo films, go to Eziokwu TV Nollywood movies. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọkwazịrị watch other content anyị na-enwegasị n'Eziokwu TV, jee na chọọ Eziokwu TV na YouTube. Yes. Ọ ihe kwesịrị ịma. Then ihe ọzọ m na-achịkọwa bụ na ọ bụrụ na ị maracha nke a, then ị ga na-enweta ihe ọbụla gbasara anyị. Ọgwụ ọzọ dị mkpa bụ echefuna na 16th of September bụ nnukwu ụbọchị na temple, maka na ụbọchị a ka anyị na-eri ọta mgbe arọ. Ụbọchị a ka ndị niile kụrụ mbamba na temple to entity of power ka ọ iri eji na nchegbu. Arụsị na-achụ ndị amoosu na-apịawa ndị otu nzuzo azụ. Ndị kụrụ mbamba ebe ahụ ga-enwe feast, annual feast anyị. Yes, a na-eme once in a year. And ọkwa n'ụbọchị ahụ ka Eze-Ana na-eri ji. So nnukwu mmemme ka ọ bụ na temple. Anyị ga-ewetakwa ihe onyonyo na telivishọn anyị. Then nke ọzọzi bụ mmemme a bụ nnukwu mmemme, nwere ndị super artist ga-anị ya, ndị egwu ọdịnala na-amasị. Onye nke mbụ bụ Chinaza Ada Igbo ga-anị ya. Nke ọzọ bụ Ijele Nwaanyị Mmiri Akụ ga-anọkwazi ya. Ndị ya bụ ndị na-ewu ndị ọkpọkọpị n'ihe gbasara egwu ọdịnala. So you are all invited. Come one, come all. Yes, ya anyị ga-eji mere ọjọọ ụbọchị ya maka anyị. So nke a bụ ya. Then nke ọzọ si ewu ka anyị gabazie n'iru n'ọkwa ndị ọzọ dịzi mkpa. Ọ bụrụ na ị bụ an artist na ị nwere calling for acting, you have what it takes. Yes, to be a superstar. Then manage your platform ga-enyere gị aka. Then chaatị m na WhatsApp ka ị sonyelu ndị grupu anyị ndị na-eme ihe gbasara ihe ejije, our production. Then ka anyị gabazie n'iru na nkụzi anyị ji wee bịa. Nkụzi anyị ji wee bịa bụ nke mbụ, ihe niile ị kwesịrị ịma gbasara aja. Yes, all the very important ihe gbasara aja ị kwesịrị ịma. Ọnya ka anyị ji wee bịa. Ya bụ aja anyị na-ekwu bụ aja, ịmata ihe gbasara aja, ịmata ihe gbasara agwụ. Ya bụ ihe isi wee bịa tata bụ ihe gbasara agwụ, na etu ị ga-esi wee na-echukwa agwụ gị, maka na agwụ na-achụta ego. Agwụ na-achụta ego. Yes. Then ka anyị gabazie n'iru n'ihe ya ama. Nkụzi anyị n'ụbọchị tata bụ agwụ. Anyị wee na-ajụ gịnị bụ agwụ? Yes, agwụ is in Igbo spirituality language. It's called agwụ. Agwụ bụ, to explain it in English, means forces behind your gift. I can tell you, every man on earth has gift. In ancient book says, the gift of a man maketh a way for him. I can tell you, it's only your gift that will make you to be successful. Only your gift that will make you to be known. Only your gift that will make you to be successful. Without activating this your gift, believe in me, you will not go places. Is your gift na achụta ego? Gift bụ onye na-achụta ego. Ghọtara ya? Gift ya na-achụta ego. Yes, is that's your talent you will put into use, and that's your talent will give you money. Let me tell you this. There is no way money will fall from heaven or from the unknown zone to you. It can never happen. You know why? It is against natural laws. It is against natural laws because there is no way the spirit will manufacture legal tender for you. The spirit cannot do it. Because this thing called money is legal tender created by a man, nation by nation. So it has nothing to do with spiritual. Yes. What spirit does is that spirit will give you vision and knowledge, how to make use of that their knowledge and technical know-how in order to receive money. So you exchange the power of your gift then in order to earn money. Let me give you an example again. I normally like to cite examples for you to understand it very well. Why do we pay our landlords, our doctors, or a good seller? I will take it one by one. Why we pay our landlords is that the landlord is solving our house needs. And because of that, his services is what he used to exchange what is called money, rent. Then why do we pay our medical doctors? We pay them because they solve our health needs. He or she, the medical doctor, apply his technical know-how, that gift. Yes, what he can offer, and exchange it with what he or she called bill, hospital bill. The same thing with somebody that is selling goods. Somebody that is selling goods, then what the person does is that he give you what you want, then you pay him or her. So what am I saying is that gift is what you will identify. Once you identify your gift, then you know how to present your gift for people that need that your services, for people that want to benefit for that your gift, in order for you to exchange that gift with what is called legal tender, money. So I'm saying in all sincerity that Agwu na achụta ego, gift of your gift is what will bring money for you. Yes. One, you must identify your gift. Two, you must know how to apply it to make use of it. Three, you must let people know that you are here, that you are ready to serve them. Sometimes some people are gifted, but they don't know how to present themselves. Let me use Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of the Blue app, as an example. We were told last time that he was the fourth richest man on earth. He earns his money by using his technical know-how to create a platform, that will make it possible for friends to chat with friends, meeting each other. Therefore, he's earning. So if you can use your own gift to think about what you can be doing, I can tell you that your gift will be translated into money. So what I'm telling you now is there is so many gifts. The church people normally tell us that we have 7 gifts of the Holy Spirit, right? Yes. They will be telling you amamihe, wisdom, knowledge, and this and that. They're all gifts. Yes. Your gift is what will give you money. Your gift. So identify your gift. I can tell you, I want so many Agwu. I want so many gifts. There are so many gifts out there. To be a herbalist, a drug manufacturer is a gift. Yes, because when you as a researcher, when you are much interested in how to solve problem of people with ulcer, example, you start thinking about it. You start making some research. You now use that your gift and their spirit behind that your gift will start guiding you. They can come in dreams. They can come while you are meditating, thinking about how to provide solutions. Yes, I can tell you that great drug manufacturers all over the world solve any health challenge by thinking on how to become of help to people that in that terrible condition of sickness. When they start thinking about solution, the spirit behind their gift will begin to give them inspiration of what and what they can do. It will interest you to know that some of these green leaves you are seeing contain what is called chlorophyll. Yes. Now, but somebody that is gifted in that field will understand the mixture that once you get some leaves that contain chlorophyll that is good to treat malaria, and they will know one or two to add in order to mix them up and they become drugs. It's gift. Some people, I know some people, if you see some medical doctors that are truly gifted in that field, they will do exploit. They will excel more than other people that just find themselves in that field. So you will see that people that Agwu is behind their choosing profession, they will do exploit, they will go far. Yes. So the same thing is like people that has their Agwu is then Agwu can also to be an architecture, to be somebody that will be manufacturer, somebody that will be have creative mind, somebody that will be able to, even while he or she is sleeping, or when he or she is at his comfort zone, thinking on how to provide solution to a certain condition, he or she will be inspired, receive vision on what and what to do. By so doing, you see that the person is doing exploits. So what am I saying? If you decide that all that you are gift, make use of that your gift in order to earn money. Yes, you must make use of that your gift, but you must activate that your gift to start fetching you money. Yes, you must activate that your gift by first of all try to build what is called a personal relation with you and people. You, yes, people that come across you, including their so-called customers. You must build personal relation, because if you are not building personal relation, it will be very difficult for you to have good relationship with people that are supposed to be your customer base. So we have so many gifts. Some people are called ones. Yes, in their different profession. Some people are called with special mission. Even to be a priest is a call. Yes, it's a calling. Even to be a great herbalist is calling. Even to be an church is a calling. All this is a calling. Even to be a great fabricator, a calling. So the most important thing is for you to identify where your gift lies. That is their strong bone. That is their backbone, and then learn how to put it into practice. Ịbụ onye akpọrọ ọrụ bụ na ịbụ onye nwere agwụ. And Agwu is when you are be able to activate this here Agwu. Then this Agwu will begin to work. Example, if you need a SIM card, let's say you need a SIM card of any particular network of your choice. You went out and bought that particular SIM pack. Without activating that particular same pack, I can tell you, you will never enjoy that particular thing. Yes, you need to do the needful. Go a step further. Not only acquiring the same, but you must activate that particular sim in order for that sim to start working for you. So the same thing with your gift. First of all, you must identify where your gift lies. If you are somebody that normally have gift to fabricate things, even if the person is an architecture, now you will see the person bringing new ideas. Once you're doing something, the ideas will be flowing. Do it this way, you see that the person is creating patterns. If he's a building engineer, you see sometimes he will have one idea that will come to his head. He will now do it, and people will say, "Wow, look at this house design." Yes, it's Agwu at work. That spirit that normally come and give him some vision. That is Agwu. Yes. Have you activated yours? So, and again, let me tell you one thing. The spirit of Agwu does not like, spirit of Agwu recognize, you must recognize that spirit. And if you refuse to recognize that spirit, spirit of Agwu will not work for you. Because spirit of Agwu need attention. Yes, he must have a time he normally reflect, meditate, for that spirit, that gift to flow. Let me give you an example. What I normally do in life, normally flows to me during my spiritual exercise. What I do in life, even my wife doesn't know about it. She will now see that I have started doing this. Yes, because what I normally do is that doing your spiritual exercise, very important. That is why I always emphasize on it. Now, gwa gị na ị kwesịrị ị na-eme nwee taịm eji achịgharị mmụọ, taịm gị na mmụọ ji akpa nkata, taịm gị na mmụọ ji akpa nkata, all a must. Ma ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịdị successful, na ị chọrọ activate ya Agwu. You are the one that will activate ya Agwu. What your spiritualist is doing is just helping you. You got that? Enwere ndị nwere Agwu, ha nwere owo. Their personal Agwu. Their personal Agwu that will help them to succeed massively here on earth. Yes, what is important is activate that your personal Agwu, so that your Agwu will guide you to help you to do exploits. Yes, and the Agwu work with Agwu. For you to activate your Agwu perfectly, you must have humility. You must have humility. For your Agwu to be effective, you must have humility. Then you must be able to always pay attention to that spirit that is behind your Agwu, for you to be properly guided. Because for you to be receiving that message, that communication, your Agwu needs, in order for you to be successful, it must be a listening type. It must be a type that normally pay attention to the instruction from the spirit behind your gift. If you are not the type that pay attention, believe in me, you will never grow. Yes, you must be the type that pay attention to your spiritual guide instruction. That spiritual forces that is behind your gift. Pay attention, and you must remain on top of your game by, even if you are in this particular Agwu, what Agwu instructed you to be doing, you must avoid stagnation. Let me tell you the truth. The truth is that your stagnation, being stagnant, will destroy you. And being overproud will destroy you. That is why you see some people that are so gifted, but they are not humble. They are arrogant. Their personal relation with people around them is so bad. And gradually, their spirit their customer base and their listen will start dropping because they don't know how to build that relationship that Agwu needs in order for Agwu to keep rising. So it must be rising. It must be rising. The Agwu must be rising from strength, from one step to another, from one step to the another. The Agwu must be rising. The Agwu must be rising. The Agwu must be rising. And that is why even top companies, name them. In Nigeria, we have Coca-Cola's of this world, we have the MTN of this world, but they keep advertising. They keep advertising because they want to remain on top. It's not to be on top that is the most important thing, but to remain on top. That is why even if you are already on top, don't just fold your hands. Mark order. So you must remain on top. And how will you be able to remain on top is by when you keep on working on yourself, paying attention. The problem why some highly gifted people, personalities, more time they will fail is because how would detest pride. Yes, I will detest pride. You must be humble enough, knowing fully well that your Agwu is your teacher, so that you will keep on getting inspiration on what to be doing one after the other. For me, there is no way every day I will not pay attention to what must I do to moving from strength to strength. Yes, you keep on upgrading in whatever I do. I will keep on making innovations because this is Agwu. I will be guiding you on what to do. By so doing, ask you what will you do, I will be guiding you. Because that is your spiritual force. Without that force that is behind that your gift will not come to limelight. You understand? So that is why if you are a type that normally following me from last 3 years to date, you will notice that I keep on maintaining the movement. Because once you remain stagnant, believe in me, you can never be successful. You have gift, yes. Ebugoro ha ama na nwere gift. Agwago no ka nwere gift. Agwago no ordinary na nwere gift. But I can tell you, those gifts can never come to limelight. Ọma pụta ife. Ma ọ bụrụ na gị nwa na onwe gị eburu ụzọ mee ihe ị kwesịrị ime. Because that's your gift of Agwu must remain connected, charging. Because that spirit force is the spirit force that is behind that your gift. It remains the spirit that will be charging that your gift. For that your gift to be well known. So whenever you are ready, you will be thinking about what must I do to make my Agwu to shine. Ka Agwu wee chake. From time to time, once you remain stagnant, you will fall. Let me tell you one thing. You see the natural laws. I normally tell people that why people are failing on earth is because they are not applying according to the natural laws that governs the universe. See the natural laws that governs the universe, entails that you must keep moving. You must keep moving. Yes, for you to be successful, you must keep moving. You cannot just be stagnant. Once you remain stagnant in creation and refuse to be moving, the natural laws will crush you. You don't understand why the time waits for nobody. The time keep on moving. Whether you are doing something or not, time keeps moving. They say, times wait for nobody. So in creation does not wait for you. What your creation is expecting you to do is to key in into that natural movement. Time moves like this. So for you to be crushed, for you to avoid crushing yourself, what you need, you key into the time. Key into the time and keep on moving. Never you allow stagnation. Never you allow stagnation, because once you remain stagnant, you will get yourself to blame. You know why? Because forces of nature will ensure that you are hot. Once you try to be a stumbling block against the natural law of Ikechukwu, Ikechukwu can move round the clock. It's like I want to forget about Gary, those engineers and belt. Whenever you try to be a stumbling block without following natural laws to stop it, you will get hot. Yes, but if you really want to succeed, what you will do is to key in the way. You see that belt, move right continuously. So if you don't want problem, you key into that right, moving. But once you want to turn it against, so you thought that is natural law. So even if you have Agwu, I said that if you have Agwu, you must develop that Agwu by doing what you're supposed to be doing. So that your spirit of Agwu will always guide you, giving you more inspiration. So make sure you create 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes for meditation daily, so that you will be getting inspiration on what you'll be doing. And by so doing, sky will be a starting point. So agbọrọghọlụ asị dibịa, agbọrọghọlụ asị onye ọbụla, agwara m ụnụ na o nwere ndị agbọrọghọlụ ka ha bụrụ ndị ndu, nwee ndị agbọrọghọlụ ka ha bụrụ ndị nwere Agwu, ya gaghị obodo ha niile ka ha bụrụ erida, nwee ndị agbọrọghọlụ ka ha nwee Agwu ha ga-eji gaịdị so ezinụlọ ha. Tata wụ mbido ka anyị bido ihe gbasara Agwu part 1. Echi niile anyị ga-akọntinue ihe onye agbọrọghọlụ n'ụdị na-agbọrọghọlụ n'ụdị na-egbu onye ndu ma ọ bụ n'igbu onye nchụaja dịka dibịa, ihe ị kwesịrị ime. Echi ka anyị ga-abanye nka. Ihe anyị badara tata bụ ka akụwalụ ihe gbasara Agwu in general, etu o si metụta nwoke na nwaanyị na every profession ị na-eme. And n'ihi na alụ mekanik ihe ọmụmatụ na-atụrụ anyị na-ebiri gị ya Agwu ka ịbụ the best n'ịrụ mekanik. Ka m kwụsị ebe a. Inwe ajụjụ na nkụzi a ma ọ bụ na ịchọ ka agbalụ gị afa miri emi, send them message na WhatsApp 0813 8243 871. I repeat, 0813 8243 871. N'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, ekwe m okwu ngozi n'isi ndị niile sonyela anyị n'oge awa ka eziokwu. Sị ka ọmaka meela ụnụ na ihe ọma ya emere ụnụ na ụnụ ga-esi n'ike na-abanye n'ike. A sị m onye na-achụ ụnụ ga-ada n'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, onye ike niile si n'aka ya bịa. Ka ọ dịkwa n'oge awa nke eziokwu echi niile, mgbe anyị ga-amalite agba nke ịbụọ ya. Daalụnụ. Ọnwa ajụjụ sendịelụ m meseji na nọmba m kpọrọ ya gazie. Maka ndị na-esonyere m na YouTube, ị nwekwara ike ịnwetakwazi m na nke aka mkpa m bụ 08057837672. I repeat, 08057837672. Ya gazie nụ.